Increasing climate extremes call for stronger partnership across sectors and disciplines, both within and across institutions, to share knowledge and strengthen communication and governance. Directed explored this through real-world lab experimentation and knowledge co-production, including tabletop exercises developed in Germany and Denmark. These exercises aim to stimulate a realistic scenario and explore coordination, communication and response challenges. In Germany, the exercise was led by the Water Board and included multiple levels of government from districts to municipalities. In Denmark, it involved municipalities, emergency management agencies and utility companies. Each exercise followed 3 stages: before, during and after the event. In Germany, the focus was testing communication flows under pressure. Groups received hazard information as normal, with added pressure from cascading impacts, and used communication slips to play out their response. In Denmark, the focus was testing response plans and identifying gaps around cascading impacts. Groups worked primarily by municipality, with utilities and emergency responders moving table to table, and a shared communication wall for updates. Before the event, groups reviewed their preparations and plans, what resources they had and what knowledge, models and data they could draw on. In Denmark, this included an introduction to the data fabric tool. During the event, groups received frequent hazard updates and chance cards with cascading or compounding impacts, such as lost internet connection or a damaged road, prompting them to react and adjust their plans. After the event, groups received only post-event chance cards, such as citizen queries or requests for clean-up support, and reflected on what they could still do, the consequences, and the expected damage. Each round included reflection on what would have been feasible in real life and what actions could have been taken with a month's, a year's, or 5 years' warning. The exercises showed the value of interactive methods for surfacing governance and communication challenges and for testing tools like the data fabric. In Denmark, a pump lacking backup power prompted follow-up conversations with the utility company. A key lesson in Germany was the value of mixing stakeholder groups, so experts had to explain decision-making that's often informal or unrecorded. In Denmark, the lesson was integrating the utility company directly into the municipality groups. Both cases reinforced the need for repeating such exercises regularly to strengthen integrated planning across sectors. Now we hear from stakeholders in Denmark.
Det giver mening, når vi samler mennesker af forskellige fagligheder sammen, og vi får testet, hvad er det for en viden, vi har, og hvor er det, vi mangler viden for at kunne sætte ind hurtigt og korrekt, når de store hændelser rammer.
Altså, jeg havde ikke tænkt i det her med, hvad gør man, hvis der stiller en masse frivillige på, og at det var noget af det, vi skulle ind. Og så det, hvor sårbart det hele er, hvis strømmen går, fordi så kan vi ikke komme til de elektroniske kort, så vi skal have noget ud i papir til den slags situation.
Jeg tænker, at det man lærer af en workshop som i dag, det er meget samarbejdet, så det er måske ikke så meget for den enkelte afdeling, hvad man specifikt lærer, men den interageren, der er imellem forskellige kommunale afdelinger, gør, at man kommer tættere på hinanden, og man bliver bedre i stand til at håndtere en hændelse. Og når det er sagt, så er der jo også eksterne i forhold til kommunale strukturer, altså eksterne leverandører, altså i forsyningsselskaber med videre, som man kommer tættere på i den dialog, hvor man kommer ind i hinandens dilemmaer. Altså det tænker
vi lærte i dag, synes jeg, i Fors, at vi har de rigtige kompetencer og de rigtige med til sådan en øvelse her i spildevand. Altså nogle gange så handler det jo om, at de rigtige mennesker til stede for at kunne håndtere de her øvelser. Og det synes jeg, det er jo også en læringsproces. Hvem er det, der skal med, når vi står og har sådan en redskabstjeneste? Så det var også et at lære på.
Det føler jeg mig overbevist om, ikke bare som Roskilde Brandvæsen, men også som Roskilde Kommune, at vi kunne have gavn og glæde af, og i hvert fald for vores del vil vi meget gerne deltage i videre forløb. Fordi det passer ind i en proces, vi er i gang med internt i kommunen, hvor vi vil robustgøre den beredskabsplanlægningen på ned til lavere niveauer, og derfor vil det passe rigtig godt ind med forskellige dilemmaspil og andet, som vi gør det i dag, som kunne være med til at bringe os endnu tættere sammen og gøre os endnu bedre til at løse en opgave.